Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the Linux from basics. I would like to introduce the Linux operating system. First we will understand what the Linux operating system is and how it works. So very first we will see about the kernel version of the your operating system. As we know, I'm talking about the any other operating system, either your Windows, Mac or Linux. It has two different parts. Into it means two different cores of program. One act as kernel and other act as shell. I'm going to make you understand what the kernel is. So kernel is a part of program or a program inbuilt into the operating system so that whatever the command a user give, it generally take those command and make our hardware to work on it. So basically kernel is that particular person who act as an intermediator between user commands and the hardware. So next, what we are going to see like our kernel as it is doing everything for us. But unlike your other operating systems like your Mac or Windows, it has multiple distributions. You might have heard about the Linux operating system provided by the Red Hat, Fedora, and many more because this operating system itself is an open source, which means you can see each and every corridor of into this particular operating system and how it's formed. If you want to modify this particular operating system, you can modify the codes, you can add some more program and rebuild the new operating system, and you can publish it by your own. So if we talk about the beginning of this Linux, so it was introduced by the Mr. Linus Torvald. He actually invented this particular complete Linux operating system during his studies when he was working on a project on a Unix operating system. So during his project, he learned Unix very well and find out some of the changes can be made into the kernel and can we create a new version of the kernel. So when he introduced a new version of the kernel that was introduced by his name Linus, but after that we have changed it to Linux. So here we don't need to use any kind of license like Microsoft. We can get this operating system free of course. We can download it, we can install it, and we can use it. So in addition, I want to say that it is more stable as compared to the other OS, and that's why the reason is we are building our servers or developing our servers or any particular database servers on the Linux with the zero downtime. So, or we can say downtime is very rare. So, as we see that the complete Linux operating system is based on a Unix system. So, whatever the command you generally use on your earlier version of your Unix operating system, same command we can use it on the this Linux systems. So we will find most of the servers all built on Linux operating systems and scripting on it is very powerful. So we are going to learn everything into our coming lectures. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.